Okay, so, I'm in a very undisclosed, location, and, I found this thing that looks very interesting. And it's right behind me, and I've probably seen it as I looked over. It's that place. So, you can probably make a guess about what I'm about to do, and I'm honestly kind of scared myself. It'd be nice if I found a way to get in. Oh, that looks scary. I feel like someone's gonna come out and attack me. I think I just like park it right there. Maybe right here. I don't know. Okay, I'll just do it right here. Oh. Thought someone, our dog was gonna take me. And since I don't have a key, what you'd always do is pull out the spark plug. So make it hard for them to get in. Just start your bike and take it. Holy crap. Oh my god, I am... Huh. This wave showed me and he waved back at me. This is not very smart. Holy shit. I feel like someone's gonna come out and like rape me. Oh fuck no, I'm going in now. Oh shit. That's scary. I heard noises. I was pretty sure it's just echoes, but I'm not gonna take that chance. So here's a bottle. My weapon. No choice. Michelob Ultra. Let's get it. If someone comes out, I'm literally gonna shit my pants. I swear to God, like I heard things. Like, what the fuck is that doing there? Hello? It's probably like gonorrhea and like straight AIDS just like crusted within the walls. That's spooky. That's so spooky. That's it, boys. I'm a little girl, so I'm not gonna go any further than that. I might, I don't know. Spooky. I guess that's it for the video, because, you know, I'm a little girl, so, I want to go in there, but I feel like there's snakes, and I do not feel like messing with some rattlers, eh, boy? Let's get a thumbnail pic. Just a bumpy one. How is there no one in there? Like, I'm thoroughly shocked in how there is no, like, there's, like, no, like signs of living. Because, I mean, honestly, if I was homeless, shoot, I'd live in there. Heck yeah, I'd live in there, but, like, I'm not, and I'm kind of scared to go in there. Because I don't know actually why I'm scared. I'm just a little girl. So I want to go in there, man. I'm gonna at least get a thumbnail. Oh man, I wish I had my tripod. Oh crap! I need to start bringing my tripod to my mom's house. I can always leave it. Oh, private property. Oh, brake. Oh, it's because it was still in gear, that's why. I gotta at least get a thumbnail here, boys. Gotta get a good thumbnail pic, bro. Don't ask why. Okay, the reason I have a towel is because it was wet. I washed it, rinsed it off, not wash it, because I gotta get a good thumbnail, man. You know what? If I'm gonna call this an exploring a haunted gremlin house, I think I gotta actually explore it. Yo, y'all hear that? Someone's gonna come out and like rape me, bro. So we're at 69% GoPro battery life. So let's get it. There's a room right here. Oh, yo, this shit's kinda scary. You know, if I wasn't alone doing this, I'd have way more confidence than I do now. Holy crap. I mean, it can't be that bad. A lot of bird poop. There's Christmas lights. I like how there's Christmas lights. Wow. It's quite the sight. There's not really much. As much as I thought there'd be. Like, I mean, there's nothing really. It's still kind of creepy though. Weird. So I guess that's on a good note. I'm alive. Oh wait, there's really nothing in there. I need a riding buddy so bad, so I can just go like ride with someone, because like I was all freaked out, and I mean really for nothing, but still like it's safer that way just in case too. So there was someone in there who would hurt me. But there wasn't, like thank God there wasn't, but I'm just saying, like say there was. So wait, I think I came from 9 to 9. Yeah, but like yeah. But I don't know. I'm lucky, I guess. So yeah, I guess that's gonna conclude that little video of me being a girl doing nothing. So yeah.